little learners. Welcome to Bright Kids Learning TV. Today, we are going to learn something fun. Addition. Addition means putting things together. Let's try our first example. 1 star plus 1 star equals 2 stars. Let's count together. 1, 2. Great job! Now let's try another one. 2 stars plus 1 star equals 3 stars. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3. Amazing work, little learners. Let's try another one. 3 stars plus 1 star equals 4 stars. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're doing great, little learners. 4 stars plus 1 star equals 5 stars. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wonderful work, little learners. Let's keep going. 5 stars plus 1 star equals 6 stars. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fantastic, little learners. Now, let's add one more star. 6 stars plus 1 star equals 7 stars. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You're doing amazing. 7 stars plus 1 star equals 8 stars. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wonderful job, little learners. Let's keep adding stars. 8 stars plus 1 star equals 9 stars. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Amazing work, little learners. Let's try one more. 9 stars plus 1 star equals 10 stars. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Fantastic, little learners. You just learned how to add all the way to 10. You are becoming addition superstars. Keep practicing and have fun learning. See you next time on Bright Kids Learning TV.